Good afternoon. We're on lesson 94 using estimation when dividing by two-digit numbers. All right. Your objective for today is to use estimation when dividing by two-digit numbers. Right. Your math vocab, there isn't any new vocab, but for today I want you guys to write down what a divisor means, a dividend means, and a quotient means, and write that in your own words in the vocab section. Here's your math joke. A guy is calling a cabbie, and he says, "Hey, cabbie, how much to take me to the station?" And the cabbie says, $5, sir. And then the guy says, "How much for my suitcase?" And the cabbie says, "No charge for the suitcase, sir." And so the man says, "Okay, take the case and I'll walk." All right. So here's our new concept for today. When I taught you guys on a couple sessions ago about how to divide by two-digit numbers, I told you to look at this first number right here and see how many times it goes into this first number, right? And so if we do that with this one, we take 1 and we see that 1 goes into 5 times, all right? But if we use that case, what's going to happen is that we do 5 times 19. 5 times 19 ends up being 95, which is way over. Oh my gosh, why does this keep doing that? There you go. Which is way over than what we need, right? If this number is bigger than this number, you've gone too far. So what you need to do, this is a new technique, is that we're going to round 19 and 59 to their closest 10, right? And we're going to use estimation in order for us to divide. So I'm going to round 19 to 20 and 59 to 60, all right? And then I'm going to think, okay, how many 2's go into 60? Well, there's 3 2's going to 60. All right, and so I'm going to use 3 to divide. And I put the 3 over the 9. Make sure that your numbers line up, okay? Because we're not dividing on the 5, we're dividing on the 59. So 19 goes into 59 3 times. 3 times 19 is 57. 59 minus 57 equals 2, so my remainder is 2, right? So that's basically it. You're going to round your dividend and round your divisor and estimate to get your quotient. Now, it's not always going to work, but this way it gives you a better chance, okay? All right, let me close this stuff up. All right. So here's our first example, our only example. We're going to divide 19 into 595. Okay. My goodness gracious. Sorry about that, guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to break down this division problem into smaller problems, all right? We're going to round 19 and 59. We're not even going to look at this 5, all right? Just round the 19 and 59. You're going to round 19 to 20 and then 59 to 60. And then so you're going to use 3. 2 goes into 6 3 times. And so you're going to use 3 as your first number to divide. All right, so 19 goes into 59 3 times. 59 minus 57 is 2. Bring down the 5. Now, how many 19s go into 25? Or if this was 20, how many 20s would go into 25? And only 1 could go in there. And so 25 minus 19 equals 6. So you have 31, remainder 6. Now, what you can do to check your answer, you multiply 31 times 19 and then add 6, and then you should get this 595. Okay, so that's it for today. Here's your lesson practice, A through I. Make sure that when you do this, you show all your work. All right, if you need to use the back of the paper or get a separate sheet of paper to show your work, please do that. So we can see if when you mess up where you messed up, and it's just a good practice to make sure that you're lining your numbers up correctly and whatnot. If you have any questions, write those questions on the back and we'll answer them in the morning. All right, have a great night and look forward to seeing you guys.